Assalamualaikum guys. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a paper butterfly. To make a paper butterfly you need a square page of any color you can use, a scissor and a glue stick. So first we have to make a triangle shape from our square paper, then make it another triangle small. Now open the triangles into like this. Now this is the line and this is. Put your finger in here and fold it like this. Same for the other side. Now press it from above. Now fold this here and we will do the same from the other side. If you want you can even cut these edges, as I like the round edges, so I'm going to cut this into round shape. But if you don't want to cut it into round shape, you cannot cut it. It is your choice. Now take this part and above here. Now take your glue and glue this to here. Press it from above for 5 to 2 minutes. It takes some time to stick. Now my paper butterfly is ready. I hope you like this. You can even try this in your home. And don't forget to like, subscribe the video. Thank you.